Hey everyone, my name's Jayani, I'm a makeup artist and I'm here today at Iconic London to talk you through a brand new product launch. Introducing the Prep-Set-Tan Tanning Mousse, available in 2 shades, stay tuned. Do you ever think I want a sun-kissed full body glow all year long? Well, stay tuned because you're gonna love Prep-Set-Tan Mousse. For the most seamless application, use our beloved Pro Puff brush to quickly and seamlessly buff the formula into the skin. Shake bottle well to evenly distribute the shimmering pigments. Disperse 2 to 3 pumps at a time directly onto our Pro Puff brush or on a tanning mitt. Use circular motions to blend and buff the product over the body. Wait a few minutes for the product to dry before dressing. Top tips: moisturize dry areas like elbows, knees, hands and feet, wrists and ankles before application to prevent these areas getting darker than the rest of the body. Use the subtle reflective sheen of the pale pigments in the formula as a guide color to ensure even application. Use the residue on your brush to tan the hands and feet. Rather than applying additional product, this will prevent the areas from turning too dark. Reapply a light layer of moisturizer to the hands after applying tan to ensure the perfect blend. Your tan will develop 3 to 8 hours after application. No need to rinse, though we recommend waiting a full 8 hours to achieve the deepest tan, before and after. Thank you so much for watching, darlings. That's all from me, Jayani, here at Iconic London HQ. Big kiss and enjoy the new launch.